Compact ornamental trees with unique shapes and vibrant colors can create an eye-catching and elegant appearance to the landscaping areas. From weeping dwarf trees to evergreen varieties and beyond, these trees can contribute to the overall aesthetics and curb appeal of your property. This video explores the 12 colorful, unique styling dwarf ornamental trees, with zoning information and growth details, so it gives overall idea to choose the perfect ornamental trees for your garden. Watch the video till the end, and do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. Cercis, Ruby Falls Redbud. It is a unique and beautiful weeping variety of the eastern redbud tree. It stands out due to its vibrant purple foliage and striking pink flowers in spring. A graceful weeping form, with heart-shaped leaves appear in rich purple, can add a dramatic appearance to the landscaping. Clusters of bright pink flowers open just before the foliage in spring season, followed by flattened, deep purple pods. A perfect dwarf ornamental tree for small gardens. Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar. It is a striking addition to any landscape. Its unique cascading branches and silvery blue needles create a dramatic, architectural look. This low-maintenance tree is great for creating a focal point or adding a sculptural element to your garden. This weeping evergreen conifer is a perfect choice to set up a unique look near to the porch areas, corners, beds, or even in the backyards. This ornamental tree can be trained in various forms to suit your landscape design. Remove damaged branches and pinch or cut back branches, if they get too long, to keep this wonderful evergreen in best possible appeal. Bonfire Patio Peach. It is a small tree, grown for its stunning spring display of double pink flowers, followed by burgundy leaves. The leaves are long and narrow, emerge reddish in the spring, and keep their color throughout the growing season. This tree is a good accent plant in a low border, and in small spaces, such as around patios. The tree produces small peaches that are edible but unpalatable. Lace-leaf Weeping Japanese Maple. Every gardener's favorite option, this Japanese maple variety is an elegant tree, known for its finely cut, delicate foliage and graceful cascading branches. Bright burgundy spring foliage darkens to maroon for summer, and then goes vivid red in fall season. Although the lacy leaves have a very delicate look, the tree is surprisingly hardy to provide year-round foliage interest. A very good companion plant to go with most evergreen shrubs and perennial plants. Lemony Lace Elderberry. It will add instant color to your landscape. A bright lemon color foliage emerges in early spring, with truly unique look, and shows eye-catching white flower clusters. It is a great alternative to Japanese maples in areas where they can't be grown. A perfect contrast color foliage for darker background. This variety is often appreciated for its unique color and texture, making it a great choice for borders or as a specimen plant in gardens. Acer palmatum Sharp's Pygmy. It is a dwarf Japanese maple variety, and it is appreciated for its dense, vibrant fine foliage. It's an ideal tree for small gardens, or as a striking addition to patios and corner beds. Along with the thick trunk of this Japanese maple selection, the leaf structure and dense branching habit gives Sharp's Pygmy a sturdy and dignified appearance. Fall colors are bright oranges to reds. An excellent addition to front yard landscaping to add year-round interest. Tricolor Dappled Willow Trees. These trees are stunning, with gracefully arched branches, and new growth that shifts from a lustrous pale pink to whitish green. Colors are brightest when the trees are planted in direct sunlight. Pruning encourages new growth, with more vivid color. In the fall, the leaves turn yellow and drop, revealing coral red stems by winter. Giving them a nice rounded shape that works extremely well as a privacy hedge when planted in a row. Acoma White Crepe Myrtle. If you're looking for a dwarf, upright crepe myrtle tree that matures 7 to 10 feet tall and wide, Acoma Crepe Myrtle is your best choice. As this crepe myrtle grows, lower branches can be removed to desired height to form a small weeping tree. It blooms bright and elegant white flower clusters during summer season. It is useful as an attractive focal point specimen in landscape borders or home foundation planting. Double Weeping Rosebud Cherry. It is a stunning ornamental tree, known for its graceful weeping form and abundance of double pink blossoms in spring. Graceful arching branches cascade toward the ground on this medium-sized flowering cherry. Beautiful double rose pink blooms in early spring, followed by copper-colored foliage that matures to green in summer, followed by yellow to orange in the fall. A wonderful compact ornamental tree for entryways and smaller beds. Limelight Hydrangea. If you are looking at a compact tree form of hydrangeas, then Limelight Hydrangea is the option for you. It is a popular ornamental tree form of the hydrangea, known for its long blooming, large showy flower panicles that change color as the season progresses. It brings beauty and structure to landscapes with minimal maintenance. A popular favorite because of its compact size and beauty and colorful blooms during summer season. Japanese Andromeda, scientifically called as Purus japonica, also known as lily of the valley shrub, is a beautiful evergreen shrub, prized for its year-round interest and stunning spring blooms. This large shrub can be trained to grow in tree form to add a focal point in front yard landscaping. Japanese Andromeda offers all three, with fragrant spring flowers, a solid evergreen presence and colorful new growth. A perfect ornamental tree form shrub that goes well with other companion plants. Horseman Blue Atlas Cedar. If you want to add a wonderful contrast color of gray-green foliage in tree form, Horseman Blue Atlas Cedar is for you. It is a slower-growing, compact version of the Blue Atlas Cedar, making it an excellent choice for smaller gardens or landscapes. Its stunning blue needles and elegant structure offer a unique, ornamental touch. This tree is ideal for adding structure and color to smaller spaces, and it goes well with most other evergreen bushes. If you are watching this video till this point, I believe you liked the content of it. Please drop a like to support my channel House Talks. Your feedback is really appreciated. Thank you.